The first thing you want to do is cream together your butter and your sugar. You're using 1 stick of butter and 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Creaming means that you're mixing it until it's light and fluffy, so that takes about 3 to 5 minutes. You're also using 2 eggs in this recipe. One at a time, add the egg, mix it in until it's fully incorporated, and then go ahead and move on to your next egg. Once your eggs are incorporated and it's light and fluffy, add in your banana mixture. I'm using 3 large bananas. These bananas are ripe and they're spotted and brown. These bananas are ideally what you want to use for any banana bread recipe. You're adding your vanilla extract as well, about 1 teaspoon. Just go ahead and add that in. And afterwards, it may look like the batter has split, but don't worry, it happens with all banana bread recipes. Afterwards, you're going to move on to your dry ingredients. The dry ingredients are pretty simple, very basic. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I think the cinnamon is optional, but then again, I really don't. I think you should definitely add it. Go ahead and fold in your dry ingredients. Folding is just basically incorporating them very lightly, very gently. You're making gentle scooping motions. At this point, it's time for your choice of chocolate. I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips. I think that it's the best pairing for something like a banana bread. It's not too sweet, it's not too bitter. But if you like dark chocolate or if you prefer milk chocolate, then go ahead and do whatever you want. You're the boss of your banana bread. After I've mixed this in, I'm gonna add it to a bread pan. This is a glass bread pan and I've prepared it with parchment paper and non-stick cooking spray. Once the mixture is in there, I'm going to go ahead and top it with 1/3 of a cup of the semi-sweet chocolate chips. Once this bakes, it's going to look really nice. When it's golden and melted, it's going to be beautiful. I'm going to put this in an oven for an hour, 60 minutes at 350 degrees. Check it at about 50-55 minutes. It should not have any wet batter. If you put a knife inside of it, it's going to be beautiful, it's going to be sweet, it's going to be delicious. So I hope you enjoy.